So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished repairing a line that has some water damage or a water leak in it. We're up in the attic here, and you can see the old piping that's in here is, oh gosh, who is it? Zern. So Zern packs, hot side, 1/2 inch, and you've got this little guy right there. You can see it's chewed through. So you've got a rodent up here, and you need to get some pest people out here and get some traps and some bait set, because they'll just keep chewing on these lines. Hopefully that's the only thing. So we just cut out a section, shark bite coupling right there, and then another shark bite coupling right there. And then of course this is Uponor piping. Well, that's the pipe that we like. It's the apex, not the bepex. And we did bring it up and strap it above this plate. Just plastic sitting against metal and moving around over the years, it will wear through. And so we just popped it up here and put a strap on so it's not touching that. So anyways, we're going to turn the water back on and see if there's any more leaks. Outside of that, this installation is done. So still here in Clovis, and we've got the water back onto the home. You can see the 1 inch next to it, that's the cold, and then hot over here we've repaired already. We ran some water through this. This goes to the faucet in the kitchen, and we could see the water flow, and there's no dripping at the shark bite fitting, so that's good. Over on the other side you can see the 1 inch, and we've got a light up here in the attic, so it should be pretty well lit, but we'll put another one on here just so you can see. So that's the cold side, the white pipe coming through, and it's strapped up above that plate and comes over. We don't see any leaking on this pipe, and so you're right here at this truss, and of course I think you've got there's a ceiling light somewhere in there, but anyways, that's our repair. You can see it. There's one coupling, and there's the other coupling, and pipe over here, nothing, all dry. So I'd get a company out here to put up some traps, put out some bait, and get that rascal taken care of, and we'll give you that pipe so you can keep that. Outside of that, this installation is done.